Alright, we're going to talk about waist today. How to dance with your waist. And the first thing we're going to do is really focus on this right here. In my class, I describe it as like a Japanese businessman. I mean, you don't have to be Japanese, but a businessman when you bow, you know, right here, when you bow. Now, what you want to do is focus on when you bow right here. See, my back is straight versus like this. I'm not arching it. I'm not hunching over like this. Keeping my back straight, and I bend right here. So I have 1 and 2. Now, if you look at me right here, straight down the line right here, when I bend down to 1, my hip is going back. At the same time, my chest is going forward. Okay? So I'm going to explain what we're doing. We're going 1 and 2 and. Alright? So we're going to just try that. Do this exercise with me. Here we go. Here we go. Half time goes like this. We got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 2, 3, 4. Again. 2 more times. 1 more time. Good. From here, I'm going to stop and talk a little bit about when we do it slow, it should be okay. You're going 1 and. On the and part, when you come up, you have to make sure you get to at least vertical or even past it just a little bit. Because what I don't want to see is this, and I see this a lot. We go 1 and 2. On the end, instead of coming up all the way, you come up only halfway. You're not all the way up, and it just kind of stays down here. You got to make sure you got 1 and. Make sure you pass this vertical line, okay? Or even get at least to the vertical line, okay? So, let's try that one more time, but this time a little bit faster with the music. 1 and 2 and. This is only 2 times. 6, 7. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. This side. 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and. Okay? We're going to quickly move over to 4 counts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Now, when I'm doing this, I'm focusing on controlling my hip. Okay? So I'm not just trying to control here and go too far back. I'm controlling my hip. My hip is going back. Hip's going forward. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This time I'm going to face you guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm going to move forward now. We're going to go to 8 count. So we're going to count to 8. Then we're going to take a short break. 6, 7. 2, 4, 6. 2, 2, 4. 3, 2, 4, 6. One more time. All right. Good. Moving forward now, we're going to go singles. Right, left, 8 count. 4 8 counts. Here we go. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6. All right, good. We're doubling each side now for 4 8 counts. 5, 6, 7. 3, 2, 4, 2. All right. Good. Single, double now. Ready? 5, 6, 7. Double. All right, good. So the next one, we're gonna try to get some level change. And what we're doing right now is balancing down here, stay down, and we're doing the same thing from this position. Watch. It's a little bit harder than doing it here, right? Right here, your balance is nice. Down here, you gotta work on your balance a little bit, okay? 4 counts from the bottom position. 5, 6, 7. 2. 2. 2. All right, that one's a little bit tough, but we're doing it. Go too high, too low. Watch. Too high, too low. Okay, good. 1 high, 1 low. 1 high, 1 low. 5, 6, here we go. 5, 6, here we go. Good. All right, we're gonna do single, single, doubles with the highs and lows. Here we go. High, low, high, low, high, 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 low, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right, good. All right, guys, hope you guys have fun with this exercise. To me, this is a waist exercise, and it's really, really useful, especially in the house dance, all right? So you're actually dancing with your body, not so much your legs and arms, but a lot of control with the center part of the body. I believe this is a really, really good fundamental exercise for you to build upon. This is great for your balance, great for your rhythm. Try it. You should get a good workout. Hope you enjoy it. Like it, share it, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.